Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I have a song for you from Vanessa Paradis. And this is the famous girl who sang the famous taxi song. She grabbed a taxi, and yes, if you know, you know. And this time she performs a song in French. I'm not trying to pronounce that title of that song, cause that would be a shame. I think in English it translates into the thorn or the heart or something like that. So I'm gonna teach how to play it. That is my mission. So let's do the capo on this first fret. Place that on there, and with that we have 4 simple chords. So let's go into it. We're gonna start with D first. So open D, second G, third B, and second E. That is the D chord. So the first chord is D. Next one is the F sharp minor. It's a bar chord, so place the index finger on the second fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add fourth on A, fourth on D, and that's the F sharp minor. We have C next. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally, we have the G, and that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Okay, so let's learn the strumming pattern. It goes like this. Okay, so it has this little bit different style, to a little funk or so, mixed with some pop, or that is how I would place it in that ballpark. So and I'll work a little bit with muting as well, but first into the downs and ups. So if you grab the first chord D, you're gonna play down, down, up, and then up, up, down, and then down, up. So that is one full round. So down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And notice I play with that muted style, so sometimes I hit a finger in front of the chord I'm actually playing, and I help the muting with in that way. Sometimes you don't have any fingers, like in the F sharp minor. You can end up release the tension from the grip there on this fretboard, and you mute it in that way. And you can also use your right strumming hand, or whatever hand you use for strumming, and kind of lean on top of the strings. Everything that kind of kills the sound in the way that you release the tension or hit the fingers on top of the strings and just kill the sound, that will mute the sound. Okay, so you do it like this. You see, I'm constantly working with my fingers here on the fretboard. It'll release the tension and get that vibe going on there. You're going to play 1 string around per chord there. So D1, F sharp minor 1, C1, and G1. And that, my friends, just rolls from the beginning till the very end. And that is the Thorn of the Heart song from Vanessa. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. If it was helpful, then leave me a comment, like, and be back here for next upload. Thank you very much, and play tuned.